Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade flaxseed gel. First, ensure you have all your ingredients and tools ready. You'll need 1/4 cup of whole flax seeds and 2 cups of filtered water. Also, grab a small saucepan, a fine mesh strainer, and a clean jar or container for storage. This simple, natural recipe is fantastic for hair, offering great hold and beneficial nutrients without harsh chemicals. It's a wonderful, cost-effective alternative to commercial hair products. Now let's get cooking. Pour your 1/4 cup of whole flax seeds and 2 cups of filtered water into the saucepan. Place it on the stove over medium-high heat and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer gently for about 7 to 10 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. You'll notice the liquid transforming into a thicker, gel-like consistency, which is exactly what we want. As soon as the gel reaches your desired consistency, remove the saucepan from the heat. This step is crucial to prevent it from becoming too thick. Immediately and carefully, strain the hot mixture through a fine mesh strainer directly into your chosen storage container. You can gently press the seeds with a spoon to extract every last drop of the precious gel. Then, let it cool completely to room temperature. It will thicken further as it cools. To keep your fresh flaxseed gel at its best, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It generally stays fresh for about 1 to 2 weeks. When you're ready to use it, simply apply a small amount to damp or dry hair to define curls, smooth frizz, or add hold. It's also wonderful as a pre-shampoo treatment or a nourishing hair mask. Enjoy the natural benefits and versatility of your homemade hair product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.